So how about making yourself a wireless phone charger for your motorcycle? For those long trips when you're playing music, using GPS, all the battery hog devices, and you can just do this. And it's charging away. I'll show you how to make it. So you're going to need the following items along with your RAM X-Grip phone holder or something similar. A wireless energy pad. You want it thin and preferably weather resistant. This one's IP67 rated and it only cost me $20. Then you're going to need some hook and loop self-adhesive tape, generally known as Velcro. This one's called Stronghold. Other brands are available. And lastly, some cutting implements to cut your tape. Okay, first it's probably best to clean the surfaces you're going to put the hook and loop tape on. I'm using an alcohol wipe. I'm sure soap and water will do just as well. Alright, I'm using the hook side of the tape. Just measure it out and cut it. I'm going horizontal so that when I trim it afterwards, I'm not trimming this if I go vertically. Make sure you push it down, and you're going to want to leave this to cure for 24 hours before you use it, if at all possible. Once you've covered it, trim it for that better look. There we go. Let that cure. And now do the same with the phone holder, but this time using the, in my case, the loops. I don't suppose it matters which side goes on which. So after you've let the sticky back hook and loop tape cure for 24 hours, you just want to trim it to make it look a bit neater, get rid of any overhangs which might cause it to pull off over time, and if it ever doesn't work you can just glue these on, but this is can be a temporary measure if you want. And now time to put it on the bike and see if it works. So with your phone holder in place, you just get your wireless charging pad, connect it to the Velcro stuff, and now every time you connect your phone, it's charging. Simple. Let me know how you get on if you attempt it. But until next time, this is Triumphant signing out. If you just wonder what that crash was.